Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to allow microphone access to any websites on Google Chrome. First of all, if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. It will be really helpful for us. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my Google Chrome. Now to allow microphone access, first of all on the top right you'll find these three dots. Click on this and go to settings. Over here you can see here is bunch of options on the left. Now click on this privacy and security. And now over here is site settings. Click on this and after that scroll down and you'll find this microphone option. Click on this and now over here you can see default behavior. Here you can see sites automatically follow this setting when you visit. Now over here for now it's selected don't allow sites to use your microphone. Now if you want some websites to get access of your microphone, just select this sites can ask to use your microphone. And after that go to that website and just allow your microphone. So in this way we can allow microphone to any websites on Google Chrome. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.